speak ill, please humor me. Won't rant on endlessly, just thought I'd try to make you see. It doesn't solve a thing to dress it in a pretty gown. The storm will not need you to guess if you're still going to drown. So you know what drives me out of my mind. It's whatever makes you see, makes you believe, and forget about the premonition you need to conceive. The images they sell are illusion and dream. In other words, dishonesty. So can you name your demon? Understand its scheming? I raise my glass and say, here's to you. Can you chase your demon, or will it take your freedom? I raise my glass and say, here's to you. I've got no hand in matters worldly, I hardly care at all. What's going on fails to concern me, 'cause I'm locked behind my wall. But you know what drives me out of my mind? Oh, it's whatever makes you see, makes you believe, and forget about the premonition you need to conceive. That the images they sell are illusion and dream. In other words, dishonesty. So whatever makes you see, makes you believe, and forget about the premonition you need to conceive.